Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to play you a little piece called The Swallow and try to show you how one can make the tone soar out of the piano in the same way as you can imagine the swallow soaring around in the sky. A nice sunny day with the blue sky and the odd cloud and the freedom. So I'll give it a try. I hope you enjoy it, and then I'll throw in a couple of pointers that might help you too in enjoying a piece like this. So it's a fun little piece, and I think if I memorize it, I'll be even more free with it and not get any notes wrong. But to create that tone, I have to be so loose in my arm, and I have to be able to even lightly just brush the surface of the key as I fall through and dip down in the wrist, and then the tone will come out freely. So I don't want to push into the key or press in any way. I just want to be able to either pluck the note or just, if you imagine your finger is being held back by a little spring, and then you think of a elastic rubber band on the end of the fingers pressing against that stretched elastic band like into a gas pedal and back. As you're moving like that, you can control just how far you want the tone to soar, and how much overtones you want in that color, and how much shine you want to the sound, just by the sharpness of that finger. So just, if you played just the melodic line, see, I can come in so gently and still brush it. Just to, and playing the piano has to sound simple. It's playing the piano. So if you have a tight hand and you don't relax the hand between the notes, then it's going to sound angular and forced. So if you can just have that freedom, like after I play the note, I relax the hand instantly. It's like plucking onto a surfboard that's soaring around in the clouds, and you can just lift the sound into the listener's, out to the listener's ear from the piano. It just gives you the overtones and the harmonics at least. See, I don't have a separate pluck, pluck. I just let that second finger just die and fall. Yeah. As I brush the key. Whoops. So if you want to look that piece up, it's by F. Burgmuller, Burgmuller, 1806 to 1874. And it's called The Swallow. It's Opus 100, number 24, and it's called Study number 6. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and have a good night. Bye-bye.